Hello, my dear students. This is me, your Shravani Miss, and I am back to you with another scene passage. Before going to start the class, boys, I would like to request all of you please try to do well at your exam. I'm talking about your upcoming exam. I think, boys, if you follow all of the lectures and listen to your teachers and do all of the HW, your exam will not be the difficult one. Okay, so boys, get ready for the class, and I'm wishing you best of luck for your upcoming exam. Okay, now today I am going to take class on a very well-known passage to you, that is about Shoykot. Okay, now I am going to read it for you. Shoykot Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogora. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. But in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shoykot's mother is Monwara Islam. She is a housewife. In her free times, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Shoykot is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English, so he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English book. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. So boys, this is a passage about Shoykot, and also there are some information about his parents. Okay, and there is some useful information for you, that is, if you want to improve your English, you can watch some cartoons on TV, and if you want to improve your English, you can also read some English books. Okay, so this passage is useful to you. I hope you have enjoyed this passage, and I know you read this passage before. Lots of time you read this passage, I know. So today I am not going to tell you and going to write you any answers for you. You have to write all of the answers by yourself, and tomorrow I will upload the answers. Okay, so boys, get ready for the class, get ready for your exercise, take out your necessary accessories. So you know how to do the matching. In column A I have written flat, neighbor, housewife, banker, student. Okay, in column B I have written a woman who looks after the family, to make better, a set of rooms for living, fond of, a person who works in a bank, a person who lives near someone's house, pupil. Okay, so this is all about matching. Boys, I hope you are going to do well in this part, because you have done this matching lots of time and you know how to write these answers. Okay, now I'm going for true and false. Here is written, write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. So you need not write any correct answer, just write true and false. In number A, I have written, Shoykot is a student of high school. Number B, Mr. Rashidul Islam works in a bank. Number C, Shoykot likes books about fruits. Number D, there are 3 members in Shoykot's family. Number E, Mrs. Monwara Islam watches cartoons on TV. Number F, as a student, Shoykot is meritorious. So boys, this is true false. You are going to write these answers for me. I think you are going to write it very well. Okay, now number 3, that is question answers. You know how to write these question answers. You have to follow the marking. That means if the question is for 1 mark, you are going to write the answer in 1 sentence, and if it is for 2 or 3 marks, you have to elaborate your answers. Okay, so boys, let's go for the questions. Number A, I have written, where does Shoykot live? There is 1 mark for this question. Number B, what is Mrs. Monwara Islam? What does she enjoy? 2 marks for this question. Write 3 sentences about Shoykot's family. 3 marks. What does Shoykot's father do in his free time? 2 marks. What does Shoykot do to improve his English? Here is 2 marks also. So boys, this is all about your today's class. I am not going to write any answers, because you know, if I write the answers, you will just simply copy the answers, but it will not be useful to you. So I think if you write the answers by yourself, this is gonna be useful for you. Okay, so please write all of the answers very neatly and try to improve your handwriting, those who are not very good at your handwriting. Okay, so boys, no more today. Stay safe and healthy. I am going to upload the answers tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and I'm wishing you best luck again for your upcoming exam. So boys, thank you very much for watching my class, and thank you for cooperating me. I'm very happy with all of you, and don't forget to write your name, role and section in the comment box. Okay, thank you boys.